Hello, how are you? So I am Khan. Here I will guide you what is this operator just announced by OpenAI and what task he can do. So this is the new update about AI in ChatGPT. You can access this operator but only for Plus user. And currently it is available on these are only for Pro user. You have to pay $200 and in the US. So what it basically operator do, it is like an agent, your virtual assistant for you. So now the people who are hiring per month their virtual assistant to do the task, so it will increase your productivity. How? Just you have to prompt book a one day room for me in this hotel or restaurant. So he will directly go to the site and there he will book for you. So just you have to prompt. So see, this is a virtual assistant just doing the work for you. So this is just a one thing, and in the coming days, this operator and agent will be doing more tasks. So this is the capability how you can use operator for your daily tasking and how to use. You just have to give the prompt and he will book a restaurant for me in this city on date, book a flight for me. So this type of task is now just by prompt. They will the operator will open a browser for you and do the tasking. Don't have to move the mouse or anything. So this is just a basic thing. So this is the best thing. You can use it for many things like automation and different tasking. So here I have just posted about it, which task you can do. Let me share you the task you can do for it can do for you. You have to see a task. So this is the best automation tool. So see, you can make your reservation. You can shop. You don't have a time how to find a best. So just prompt, give him a best, provide me a best shoes. This is the size and this is the Nike or Adidas. So he will buy for you. You can plan your vacation, admin tasks. This is very important. You can manage your administrative tasks like how to create report. You can ask schedule a meeting with my CVS. He will schedule a meeting. So this is very best. I think you got the idea what it is about and how to use it. Thank you for watching, and if you like it, must share it.